Hi guys, just want to quickly show you the fan of my inverter completely blown, so the inverter gets very hot, and I just changed it. And come closer, I just want to show you what is inside this fan. Now this is the PCB. There was some sort of transistor or something which broke off. Can't find it, so I can't really show you what was. Something with 4 legs, so maybe not a transistor, or maybe a little microchip controller. And this is inside the fan, and as you can clearly see, one of the coils completely burned out and it blocked the fan, so it's getting very difficult to turn. So it was no heating on the inverter, and this is completely black. This is just burn out, and I just got a replacement fan, put it in, and now it's all fine. So just an idea what's inside of a laptop fan or this size of small fan. Doggies.